Queen's University. It's one of Canada's most prestigious schools. Nearly 24,000 students enroll every year, and that number keeps going up. So where are all these students living? For most students, their only option is the student ghetto, a collection of old, run-down houses north of campus. Mold, flooding, bug infestations, poor insulation, and inadequate locks are commonplace. And the landlords who control these properties are taking advantage of the low vacancy rates and charging higher rents than the average university town. Enter Sage Kingston, a new condo development on the northwest edge of campus that's aiming to disrupt this very market. Sage Kingston is a luxury condo purpose-built for students that's close to both campus and downtown. Each unit comes completely furnished. This means owners can charge higher rental rates because the students no longer have to buy furniture. The building is managed by Sage Living, our experienced property management division. They deal with the tenants, collect the rent, take care of maintenance. You don't have to lift a finger. We're also offering a free lease guarantee for the first 2 years. We guarantee that your property will be rented out and earning income from day one. Queen's University is growing every year. The parents of these students want to rent nice, clean accommodation for their children. Accommodation that has 24-hour security and great amenities such as gyms and study lounges. Simply put, it's the housing option this university town has been waiting for.